Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to get more calls on your business line when boosting a Facebook post using the Meta Business Suite app. So let's jump right straight into this video. So we'll launch the Business Suite app. So now if you want to switch to your preferred page, you click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Then you could switch across any of your preferred pages. Okay, so if not, let's say I switch to Gospel Wobo. All right, so I've switched into this page, but this is not the one we want to use. I just wanted to show you how to switch across pages. So we're going to switch back to Bright. So we go back to Bright. Then, in order to start advertising, we click on Advertise. Okay, so ensure that this is on the Facebook session. So this is for Facebook, but this is for Instagram. But we're gonna do for Facebook this time around. So click on See All. So we're gonna select one of these posts. So let's say we're gonna use a video. Okay, so we're gonna select this one. So we click on Speak with a Consultant today. Select this video. So once this opens up, the first thing you want to do is to scroll down to the bottom, select your preferred ad account. For ads, you could see that our preferred ad account, which is a business prepaid ad account, is already selected. So we're going to work with this one. But yours, if you notice that you're seeing your personal ad account, your personal ad account is the ad account that bears the same name you answer on Facebook. Okay, so we strongly recommend do not use your personal ad account to run ads. Ensure you use the ad account we created for you newly, which will most likely answer business prepaid ad account or new business prepaid ad account or new prepaid ad account, or your business name ad account, or your business name new prepaid ad account, or your business name new ad account. All right, so if you want to change that, you click on this drop down under the ad account. So click on the official Bright ad account. So you're gonna see other options. So for us, you could see that my personal ad account is the Wobo Chikaba the Gospel, but what we are going to go for is the official Bright. So we're going to continue using the official Bright. So after you've selected your preferred ad account or your preferred business ad account, you scroll back to the top. Okay, so next we want to select our goal. Okay, so you could see the different type of goal. So we'll click on See More. For this particular campaign, you could also go for Get More Video Views. So you could also go for Get More Calls or Get More Video Views, whichever one you want. So they are quite easy. So whichever objective you select here, once you're done with that, you finish the setup at the bottom. So let's assume that we want to go for Get More Calls. So we select this, Get More Calls. All right, so you could see that our business phone number is already registered. You could also edit the number if this is not the phone number you want. So you click on it to edit. Okay, then ensure you decide if your advert is under the special ad category like real estate or financial product and services, employment, housing or social issues, elections or politics. Ensure you activate this button to let Meta know that it is under the special ad category. Then you indicate which particular one you are running the ads under. So if it's real estate, you choose housing. If not, leave this off and continue. So for targeting, you could use the Advantage Plus audience targeting this way, or you create a new targeting for yours, or you could also use any of this saved audience that is here. We're also going to attach a link in the video description to teach you how to target or to show you other videos where we did targeting. So take your time to master all this before you start running ads, or you could use the Advantage Plus audience where you allow Meta's algorithm or Facebook algorithm to find the best customers for you. Okay, so for the budget, you could use at least 4,000 per day or 3,000 per day. Okay, so we're going to use 4,000 per day, and our ads, we're going to run it for just 2 days. If you want to increase your number, you could also increase it. For this tutorial, by using just 2 days, but I strongly recommend that you should run your ads for at least 7 days. So once you're done, okay, this is how to increase the days. So you click on this plus button. Okay, then if you want to reduce the days, you could also click on the minus. So we're using just 2,000 and 4,000, 14 naira per day. Okay, so once you're done with the setup, you click on Boost Post now. So this is how to launch your ad campaign. So after this is successfully launched and the ads goes into review, once Meta approves it, you can also manage your ads performance or your ads delivery using the Meta Ads Manager app. So we're going to attach the link in the description section of this video. So kindly visit the description section of this video to get more resources. All right, guys, we'll see you in our next video, and bye for now.